Hi guys, what is up? Welcome to designing an outfit video. Today I will create outfit for a skater girl. Also, if you haven't seen my last such video where I've been drawing outfit for a soft girl, go and check it out. So, I start with a sketch of her body and draw lines of her t-shirt. She'll stand in a such skater pose and lie her hand on the waist, drawing her skirt and sketching its print. Then drawing her head and pretty long hair. For the last one, it's to add her face features. And wow, I've already circled it with black liner. So, let's go and color it. At first, it comes to skin. Then I go for hair, coloring her t-shirt into classic black, her eyes into green, hats into dark gray, and making skirt's print look cool. For it, at first, I drew some lines for easier coloring. Someone's colored into golden, someone's into yellow, and others left white. On the screen it's more obvious. And it's ready! Our skater girl's outfit is here. Maybe you're more creative than me and will add some other details like skate, for example. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Tough love said, see you at the next video.